Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to our next tutorial, top 100 interview questions. So on that, today we'll concentrate on one more thing, that is encapsulation. So what is encapsulation? So it's a very important. So this is also mandatory question for. So what is encapsulation? So this we need to understand here now what is encapsulation. First, simply it's a encapsulation is nothing but it's a process of binding. So process of binding the variables and methods in a single entity. So that is binding process of binding variables and methods in a single entity. In a single entity means we are defining all into a single class or something. This we call as a single entity, like this. So we are mapping this all in a single entity, single place, single declaration, that we can call as encapsulation. Process of binding variables and methods into single entity. Like, so for this we'll go with detailed description as well. So the detailed description comes into this. This can encapsulation can this can be achieved. This can be achieved with help of class. This can be achieved with help of class. How this can be achieved with help of class means must and should. If you want encapsulate, you require one class. So that is with class only it can be achieved. Then using this we can improve the maintenance of application. Improve the maintenance of application is easy because once we are looking this easily in the single entity, so from the single entity easily we can access all this data. So using this we can implement, using encapsulation we can implement abstraction. Abstraction is nothing but it's a data hiding. So abstraction we can use data hiding abstraction. So that can be that we can decide what to hide and what to present, that we can implement securely. Means any part of data if we want to hide, we can hide. That can be possible in this using the encapsulation. Next, using this we can isolate or separate. We can isolate or separate the members from the class. Means we can separate this one class to other class, so that we can do this, separate the class to another class. Means class to class we can separate. So what happens if we are doing like this? So it can be reduce debugging time when you want to debug your application. So here easily we can debug that application. It can reduce debugging time. So these are the benefits from the encapsulation. Encapsulation is nothing but it's a process of binding variables and methods in a single entity And encapsulation can be achieved with help of class, and using encapsulation we can improve the maintenance of application. Using encapsulation we can implement abstraction, that is nothing but data hiding, which we can decide that what methods to hide and what methods to we can implement securely, that we can decide using the abstraction. And using encapsulation we can isolate or separate the members from one of class to other class. And because of this it's reducing the debugging time. So this is nothing but it's a encapsulation. It is one of the oops concepts in Java. Thank you. Please subscribe to get more updates. Also find the explanation in